Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Klarus. Now this here is their XT11GT Pro. Now I was sent this by Klarus directly. They wanted me to test and review this latest model of theirs. Comes in this box. So let's wait no further. Let's get this open, see what's in. Nice. Love to see lights packaged in their holsters whenever possible. Do have a literature pamphlet for other wonderful products from Klarus. We have this box here. I know we got a user manual in here. There it is. You get one USB to Type-C charging cable. It is a little on the short side. Here's the user manual. Multi-language, front and back. Now this chart is very small, but as you can see there, hopefully you can, 3300 lumens is the highest output. Now the battery that's included is an 18650, 3100 milliamp. You can use two CR123As if you wish to do so as well. And you have, looks like one lanyard in here, just want to make sure, and one O-ring. Let's go over here to the light and its holster. Got a D-ring here, that's nice. Double stitched material, that's good. Definitely is a quality holster. That's going to be really rugged. Good job, Klarus. I've seen on some very expensive lights that they kind of cheated the customer out, in my opinion, on it, especially when you're carrying a light that's $100, even $70, $50, and you lose it because the holster belt loop is cheap. Not going to be too happy, but a very good quality holster on that, lined, padded. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. There it is. Very much tactical minded. Does have the clip on there already. Now you can remove that if you don't want it. Lanyard holes here. Here's the power switch here. Got your mode switch here. I like the head on this. No heat sinking here, but the grooves on this is going to help it stop it from rolling as easy. If you do have the clip on there, that's going to help as well. Here's the charging port there. Blends right in with the head of the light there. It's pretty nice. Got your black stainless steel bezel on there. Not too aggressive. Grooves on the body here. It's going to definitely help with gripping the light. Style and design on this is very nice. It's got the semi-gloss finish to it. And the machining and finish on this is very nice as well. Never had any issues with Klarus. Nice size for casual carry, tactical. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the deep smooth reflector. Now this is running the Luminus SST70 WCS-H50 R4 LED. Very familiar with the LED, but I'm not too sure about the other stuff. But if it's like all the other SST70s, this is going to be a very nice performing beam. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get this open and I'll show you the battery that it comes with. Tail spring, and you got your contact plate there on the edge. A little bit of grease there on the threads. Got the protection piece. Now I keep these. Put them in the light when you're not using them, or if you want to put them in an emergency bag. Definitely nice to keep those on hand. And here is the 3100 milliamp battery I was talking about earlier. And this is the 3100 milliamp. This is a 20 amp cell, protected. 18650s have been around for many years. And if you want to keep the light compact, it's definitely something. Now they are making larger milliamps on these now, so it's nice to see they've kind of upgraded the output that these can do. Now let's go ahead and get it all back together. Let's go through the UI. UI is straightforward on this. It's just going to activate the light just like that, and you go through the light outputs downward, that is. Let's take a look here at the beam. Nice tight beam. Hotspot there is pretty focused until you get to that outer edge. It's got a lot of bleeding there, but nice cutoff. See the spill area. It's going to be a nice tight beam. Show it here on the side. And click that. That's the lowest light output there. Now we're going to go to the special mode. You're going to push down on the lever here. Press and hold. We'll get you strobe. And that is a steady speed on that flash. And after you've held it down for a while, it will Now it's starting to be variable now. So it looks like it's a variable indeed. And then you're going to click it one time. We'll go back to the last light output that you had it on there. Great for tactical. So if you are a police officer, security, it will do the highest output at a moment's notice. And that's all there is to this light. Now 3300 lumens is going to get pretty toasty on the head, but it will cycle down due to heat and for safety. But nice beam on this. Definitely is a quality LED. I'm very familiar with Luminus. One of my favorite LEDs is that SST70 and the SBT 90.2 LEDs. Those are my favorite from them. Nice build quality, feels rugged. So let's wait no further. Let's take this bad boy out, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Klarus. And let's go ahead and get started. See how it does. Starts off on the highest output, so do it on the Tree of Life, see how it does. Nice large hotspot there, that's 138 feet from this little light. $238 feet there. Now I have a video that I did all my testing area distances for you. If you have a question or doubt, check it out below my video. Nice tight beam. See across the park to those playgrounds there. Go ahead and step it down here. Nice combination beam performance. It's going to give you some decent range. Battery life is pretty good on this as well. Still making it across the park there to those playgrounds. Tree line, fence line. Next level down. Water spout 38 feet. 65 feet there to this tree. Still making 138 feet. And we got the lowest light output here. There it is on the fence. Still got some good range on this at this light output. And right back up to the highest. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Very nice performance. Definitely has the ability to shoot out there. If you're needing something that's compact, if you're a law enforcement, even if you carry this everyday carry, doesn't matter. Just doesn't have a side switch for convenience, but you could still turn it on and carry it with these. So it just depends on you. If you carry this light every day, then it's your everyday carry. Some people want smaller ones, some people want a little bit bigger ones. Just depends on what you carry every day, then that's what it is. This here, very rugged. That LED is an impressive LED. And the performance on this, now the battery that's included is great, will give you good run time. You can use other button top cells in this, they'll work just fine, whether it be unprotected or protected. You should be fine. Flat tops will not work in this. I did try it out. But in any case, very nice holster to be able to carry your light without worrying about it or getting it damaged. Overall, very impressed with this Klarus XT11GT Pro. Always building on a very nice platform and host that they have here. Alright, well, I want to thank Klarus for sending me this XT11GT Pro. Now, if this kit is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link down in the description box below. Also working on a special discount code. If I do get that, it'll be there with it, and that should help you save some money on this light, just in case you're interested. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel. Otherwise, you could please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these Klarus lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.